Ticwatch E3 Smartwatch are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. Ticwatch E3 Smartwatch from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. If you want to updated price, another information, be sure check my description below. So, we jump the video and subscribe my All Unique Club YouTube channel and press Welcome my YouTube channel All Unique Club. Model, Ticwatch E3 Smartwatch Review. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus Dual System Platform. Display, 1.3. High-density display, 360x 360px. Memory, RAM, 1GB ROM, 8GB. Battery, capacity, 380 mAh. Connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0. Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN screen, 2.5D glass. Material, watch case, polycarbonate and glass fiber. Watch strap, silicone rubber, interchangeable, 20mm, black. WearOS by Google. Special features, GNSS, GPS plus GLONASS plus Beidou, NFC payments, Google Pay, speaker, yes, mic, yes, vibrator, yes, waterproof rating, IP68, cool swimming, sensor, accelerometer, gyro sensor, HDPPG heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, low latency off-body sensor.